Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Korean tourist visa C39 from the Philippines through KVAC. So this is helpful so you know what to prepare, where to submit, how to pay, and how to claim your passport without missing a step. So number one, check requirements. Go to the visa requirements page, choose C39 tourism, then check the list under your category, whether it's employed, self-employed, student, etc. Number two, fill out the application form. Download the form and fill out using Adobe Acrobat Reader free. Print on A4, use all caps, block letters, check marks for multiple choice, and do not touch for official use only. And then print and hand sign it. Sign the data privacy consent form too. That's the last page. And number three, prepare the documents. So these documents include one passport photo, original passport valid at least 6 months, plus photocopy of bio page and, if applicable, OECD visa stamps copies, PRC IBP card, and if you are employed, certificate of employment, including position, salary, date hired, office address, HR landline, HR email. And also, if self-employed, DTI, SEC, plus mayor's business permit. And also, lastly, bank certificate plus bank statements plus ITR 2316. So 2025 credit card option, BDO, BPI, RCBC, Metrobank. Instead of bank docs plus ITR, submit a photocopy of the card, cover the number, plus last 3 month statements. And number four, submit at KVAC or KVAC walk-in. There's no appointment needed, so go weekdays 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. If someone submits for you, it must be a recognized agency, direct family, or someone in your travel group. So number five, pay cash only. So it's 900 pesos, stay 59 days or less, 2,000 pesos, 60 to 90 days. Delivery is optional, and it's also 300 pesos. You'll get an application receipt, scan it as backup. And number six, check status plus claim passport. So check online using your receipt details. After the SMS, claim the next day, pick up 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. and then bring the SMS, receipt, or printed scan and a valid ID copy. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell.